Hi, I'm Ken Mandel, founder and CEO of Layerbio, and today I'm pleased to present to you the Ocuring K sustained release implant for cataract surgery. Layerbio is a clinical stage MIT spinout developing novel therapies for unmet needs in ophthalmology. To date, Layerbio has raised $8 million in non-dilutive capital, which includes a recent $3 million award from the Department of Defense. Layerbio has a novel drug delivery technology with multiple applications in the field of cataract surgery. We're currently seeking partners and investors to advance our lead product through clinical development. Cataract surgery is a large and steadily growing market. More than 4 million cataract surgeries will be performed in the US this year, and that number is expected to reach nearly 6 million by 2030. The prescription eye drop market for cataract surgery is estimated to be around $1.2 billion, and non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs represent approximately $500 million of that market. We believe the largest unmet need for drug delivery in cataract surgery is to improve the safety and efficacy of ocular NSAIDs. NSAID eye drops are very effective at reducing postoperative inflammation and pain. And evidence shows that NSAIDs reduce the risk of postoperative cystoid macular edema, particularly in high-risk patients such as diabetics. But NSAIDs have drawbacks. Topical NSAIDs carry a class label with warnings and precautions involving the ocular surface. This includes the risks of delayed healing and corneal degeneration, and in extreme cases, perforation. Precaution is recommended in patients with diabetes, dry eye, and rheumatologic diseases, which collectively represents more than 30% of the US population. And then there are the general limitations of all eye drops, which include lack of patient compliance and limited penetration to the target tissue. If ever there were a drug class in need of better delivery technology, it is ocular NSAIDs. That's why Layerbio developed the Ocuring K, a small bioerodible ring that attaches to any standard IOL and releases ketorolac during the postoperative period. By delivering drug directly inside the eye, it eliminates the risks of topical NSAIDs, guarantees compliance, and improves patient satisfaction. Layerbio recently completed a phase 1 open-label study demonstrating the preliminary safety and efficacy of Ocuring K in patients undergoing cataract surgery. Here you see a representative surgical video demonstrating the ease of insertion of Ocuring K by the cataract surgeon. Note, the Ocuring is positioned on the IOL and loaded into the cartridge in the usual manner. The IOL is then advanced to the tip of the injector and prepared for insertion into the eye using standard surgical technique. Once inside the IOL is inserted through the pupil into the capsular bag where it unfolds. And the surgeon then centers the lens within the visual axis. All of the surgeries in our study were performed in the same manner without complication. After surgery, the eyes look pristine. All the eyelids dilated fully and symmetrically. The media was clear with a normal red reflex. The Ocuring remained in its proper position on the lens, and the lens was centered without tilt. This is an ideal outcome. Note that no postoperative steroids were prescribed in our study, just the Ocuring alone. Minimal inflammation was observed at postoperative days 1 and 7 and cleared by day 28. And all patients were pain-free at all postoperative visits. Although this was an open-label study and there was no comparator, the lack of need for a steroid is highly supportive of the efficacy of Ocuring K. Ocuring K represents a novel approach to postoperative inflammation for cataract surgery. It overcomes the risks and limitations of topical NSAIDs, and in doing so has the potential to significantly expand the NSAID market. Layerbio has a highly experienced leadership team that includes my co-founders from MIT. And we have a world-class advisory board consisting of some of the top cataract surgeons and commercial experts in the field of ophthalmology. Layerbio has a robust patent portfolio with coverage through 2039. In summary, Ocurin K is an innovative technology with a relatively low development risk and high revenue potential. I welcome discussions with partners and investors interested in advancing Ocurin K through clinical development. Thank you for your time, and please feel free to contact me.